Hi, Dan, Brad at Burton Chevy Buick GMC in Whitewater, doing a quick walk around video for you of the 2014 GMC Sierra double cab. It's a SLE with a Z71. Original wheels, they were painted black. It's got some really nice off-road tires here, excellent tread on them. It's got a spray-in bed liner, tonneau cover in the back, power sliding window, parking sensors, AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth, remote start. Pretty clean truck. We did put brand new brakes, pads and rotors on all four. Lower ball joints are brand new on it as well. It does have a backup camera, adjustable pedals, parking sensors in the back like I mentioned, power sliding window in the back. 127,000 miles, almost 128. Again, Brad at Burton Whitewater, 262-473-6060. Thank you.